Now, if only there was a video on YouTube that's simple, straight to the point, only a couple minutes long, that could just show me where do I fill my blinker fluid. You know what? Think I got it. So what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Switch Your Lanes Detroit. I'm your host, TJ. First off, we want to thank you guys and gals for even tuning in. Please like and subscribe at the bottom. Hit that bell to get these notifications anytime we release a new video. So a couple days ago, Chris and I were kind of brainstorming on different segments to bring to the channel to be a little bit more interactive with our growing audience. So we came up with switching tips. So pretty much what that is, it's going to be us doing small DIY things on not just our project cars, the Mercedes, but even our daily vehicles, whether it's installing windshield wipers or just even a headlight bulb. Simple things, and we'll share what worked for us, and then you can write down in the comments what worked for you so other people can see it, and then switch tips like that. So with this first video, what we're going to do is I actually removed the tint off of my car, which I talked about in our first video. I removed the old purple tint off of the windows, off of the 300 here, and I was able to record snippets of that. So it was very easy. It was a $30 steamer, some $2 acetone, and a $1 washcloth or something like that. So what we'll do is we'll cut to those videos and then we'll come back. All right. I decided to record some of it just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. See, we're going to start from this corner right here. This is the rear window. This is removing the tint. So what I'm going to do is hit it with the steamer. Get as much as I can. Get it real good. Now I'm going to try to get it. Some guys I know use a razor, but I'm trying this way, and see, that's all we need right there. All right. So what I do is I hit it just like that with the steam, so the steam gets underneath. So once you do that, then you just pull like that. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna stop right there. We're gonna hit it with some more steam. Sorry if the camera is all screwed up, but doing it one hand here. So we're gonna hit it. Hit it down here. You're gonna hit it. Hit it right inside there, get underneath there as much as we can. Right. Put the steamer down. Oh. How about we turn the steamer off first, then put it down, and then see how far we can take it without getting any glue residue. Same thing here. Ruining everything. Get under here real good. Get under there real good. All right, let's try. going on YouTube? Welcome back to Switching Lanes. All right, we're starting the process of removing the glue and residue from the tint that we took off recently. First we started with just hitting the windows with some Windex, some paper towel. So now we're going to get the acetone and a white washcloth and try to work it off and see. Now we have, okay, well, we're back. We have just some plain nail polish, well, plain acetone, 100% acetone nail polish remover that we just picked up at Walmart. We would have went to a dollar store, but we were at Walmart, so why not? We actually grabbed like 4 bottles of washcloths. We actually picked these up. Now I believe these actually came from the dollar store. Let's get us a shot. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see the residue, but I'm hoping you can see it pretty good. All right, let's give this a shot. Or the absolute worst case scenario, we take it to a tint shop and have them do it. But let's give it a go. All right, guys, no, it works. Now, because this window has so much residue, it's going to be a long, slow process, but it works. Gotta just kind of work every area and work your way out. Pick an area and work your way out, or work your way in like that. That's what we're going to do. Sorry, YouTube. So after about 30 minutes for just this passenger window, that's how bad the glue and the residue was. We finally got it to a point to where we can hit it with Windex and see what do we have left. So hopefully we got most of it. See how much can you guys see here, but big difference. All right, well, I guess we proved that whole method works. So now we just have 5 more windows to do. So this was the worst window, so just got a few more windows and that'll be it. So acetone to remove tint residue and glue, it works. All right, that'll be it. So welcome back, YouTube. So pretty much, as you can see, clean and cut straight to the point. That's pretty much how the segment will go. We'll make the videos as short as possible and get straight to the point. And like I said before, just comment down below if some way, you know, worked for you that's way more cost effective or something like that. So we can either use it or someone else can use it, and we'll do it like that, man. So want to appreciate you guys again for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and notification bell, and we'll catch you the next time around. Peace.